Hey Joe, I just wanted to make this quick video to say thank you so much for your bronchitis doctor remedy. It has really helped me. And, I'd suffered from bronchitis for, well, a little over 3 weeks before I found your product. And actually, it was my daughter that found it, and she showed me your website. And then I tried, well, before this, let me back up here. Before this, though, I had tried a couple different antibiotics. And, I was still coughing up phlegm all the time, and I was off work. And honestly, I was just tired. I was exhausted. I'm fed up with all of it. And, to be honest with you, I read your remedy, and I was skeptical. But I went ahead and I ordered the bronchitis doctor as, I really figured I didn't have anything to lose. And, well, your guarantee kind of sealed up everything for me. So I just wanted to say, though, you were right. It was very strong. And, when I first tried the remedy, it literally hit my lungs. And I knew that this was different. And I used it, like you said, 3 times a day and once at bedtime. And I can honestly say that I started to cough less the very first day. My bronchitis was virtually gone in 3 to 4 days. And Joe, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for discovering this remedy and for sharing it with us. And if there's anything I can ever do for you, please just let me know. I really appreciate it. God bless, and God bless you and your family and your remedy. Your bronchitis remedy has been a lifesaver for us, and I know it's going to do wonders for a lot of other people. Thanks so much.